Today in this video, we'll be looking at the difference between function type and return type in TypeScript. And by the end of this video, I can assure that you'll be clear about a function type and return type, which is actually a confusing topic in the beginning of TypeScript learning. So let's go ahead and look at the difference. First of all, I have this object type, and I've used this just to make it easy for us to understand the function type. Alright, so if you see here, there's a type, and inside here I have ID and username. Right, now I'm initializing this object over here. Right, now if you see the structure of the object type, this is a type, right, and it is actually following a variable name. Right, so function type is similar to function type. This is a function type, and this function type will actually follow the variable name or function name, which is similar to that of object, right? But it is actually different from a return type. Now if you see here, it is actually a type, right? But this one is not following a variable name or function name. Instead, it is actually following the parameter section of the function. That's why it is a return type, right? And this return type, basically what it indicates is what we are actually returning from this function. Here it is a string. Right now it is hard-coded. It is not dynamic, but it's actually a string, right? And that's what this return type indicates. But structure-wise, our return type will actually follow the parameter section of the function, while a function type will actually follow the variable name, like in object. Right, so that was the difference between a function type and return type. And let's go ahead and understand a little bit more about a function type. So function type basically is a prototype of the function. That means what a function will looks like. Right now it is just a declaration of the function, because we are not defining the function body, right? But this is actually a definition of the function. So when we are defining a function, we have to actually follow the function type or prototype of that function. So if you see here, the parameter section is actually something which has a type of number. And because the prototype is actually returning void, that means it does not have a return. So we are not returning anything, we are just consorting something. That means which is different from a return operation, right? So that was a little detail about function prototype. So that's it. So we have covered the difference between function type and return type in this video tutorial. So I'll be coming with more tutorials regarding TypeScript, Next.js, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so many other things about front-end development. And until then, have a great day.